Hey everyone, I've been using the new 2022 M2 MacBook Air for over a week now, and today I'll be showing you a day in the life with this laptop and how I personally use it. In this video, brought to you by 𝗕VPN. Okay, let's start the day. It's a beautiful, warm, sunny day here in Toronto. It's actually quite warm out already. It's only the morning. It's gonna get even hotter. Heading to one of my favorite new coffee shops in the city to get some work done with the MacBook Air. Hopefully it's a productive morning. 𝗦𝗍 is a pretty new spot in the city. It's a coffee shop, art gallery, skate shop, event space, sandwich shop, and also my new favorite place to grab a drink and work. Hey, nice laptop. M2 MacBook Air.
16 gig RAM.
Stellar.
8-core CPU.
1TB SSD.
10-core GPU.
Nice. I tossed on my headphones, threw on some music, and now, time to get to work. I'm starting out with replying to emails, and typing on the Air's keyboard is really a wonderful thing. It's super tactile and responsive, the keys are a great size, it's really fantastic for typing. Easily one of my favorite laptop keyboards ever. And the trackpad is really nice too, no complaints there. I then airdropped some photos from my phone to my Mac to edit in Photoshop. Nothing really too big or exciting, just a few light edits here and there, like cleaning up some of the shots with the clone stamp tool and adjusting colors and contrast. And now a bit of planning for my fall trip to Paris. I bookmarked a few spots I want to go, like Paperboy Paris, I gotta try those sandwiches, and also I gotta find a place to stay on Airbnb. I have a few places narrowed down, but I'm still looking for the right place to stay. This is definitely a trip I've been looking forward to for quite a while, and I can't wait to fly out. Maybe I'll see some of y'all there. After a little over an hour of light work, my battery dropped about 5% from 100%. Not bad at all. I grabbed my laptop and other gear, and time to head out. Mercedes is loaning me their brand new electric 𝗬𝗀𝗃 for a few days, and this car is basically an electrified S-Class, which I had a chance to try out the regular S-Class a few months back as well, and this car, the electric version, is pretty wild. Heading downtown in the EQS to run a few quick errands and make a few stops, and I gotta say, this has to be the smoothest and quietest ride I've ever been in, and personally, I like the design. I grabbed a couple snacks, picked up a few AirTags at the Apple Store, and checked out a couple magazines at a small shop nearby. And now it's around lunchtime. Okay, we out here, just gonna grab a quick lunch from one of my favorite spots in the city called the Salad House. The owners are amazing, they've been in business for like over 20 years. Food's incredible, super affordable. Let's eat. The Salad House at 𝗬𝗏𝗶𝗹 has quickly become one of my favorite spots for lunch. I mean, just look at this, only $12 and it's absolutely incredible. I opened up the Air to catch up on a couple YouTube videos while I eat, and the display on this laptop is absolutely gorgeous and it gets plenty bright, even outside. And now it's time to head out. The architecture of the Toronto Reference Library is absolutely incredible. There's really nothing else like it in the city. It's a very inspiring place, and I often come here to escape the chaos and get some work done if I just need a quiet place to work, and it's very quiet. Today I'm working on editing a video in Final Cut, which happens to be this one, the one you're watching right now. I've been very impressed with the MacBook Air for video editing in Final Cut. The laptop cuts through 4K footage like butter. It's so smooth. And I haven't experienced any lag or slowness while editing, and the laptop surprisingly hasn't gotten too hot either. The fact that this computer can easily handle video editing while being so thin and light is really a dream come true. I've only edited a few videos on this laptop so far, and I have to do a bit more testing, but so far, very impressive. One thing I'm really not a fan of though is the port situation. Just 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack. So unfortunately, to import some photos from my SD card, I have to use a dongle, which is really no fun. This one is from 𝗤𝗏𝗱𝗶. I imported a bunch of photos, and one of these will become the thumbnail for this video. Once again, the one you're watching right now. I'll choose one later. After a few hours of work in Final Cut on full brightness, my battery dipped to around 40%. As I've learned, using full brightness will definitely drain the battery quickly on this machine. It's a little after 3:30 and I have a gathering with some friends pretty soon, so time to head out. Got some solid work done, heading out now for a quick barbecue with some friends. I'll see you there. I pulled up to the barbecue with a few things and tossed some tracks on the laptop, and the speakers are surprisingly good on this thing too. We start to cook up some chicken, tofu, vegetables, and some other things, and everyone is helping out with the cookup. After eating, and it was all incredible, my friend Liam and I said peace to everyone and we headed out for our final evening shoot. First, a quick outfit change. And now, off to the west side. Okay, we're back in the Benz, got Liam behind the wheel over here, got the MacBook Air on my lap, doing some planning for this shoot. We're gonna meet up with the legend, Mr. Patrick Tomaso. We got a crazy shoot idea planned. We'll see you there. After saying hey to Patrick, we got to shooting. Our idea for this shoot is to showcase the evolution between Patrick's 450 SLC and the 𝗦𝗀𝗱𝗶, over 50 years of time between these two cars being released. We got some incredible photos and video clips on our phones and with Patrick's camera, and it really feels kind of surreal, almost like a dream, to have these two cars come together and see the incredible difference in design and style. After getting a bunch of shots, I airdropped some of the photos and videos to the MacBook to take a quick preview. Now that it's around 9:30 and we're all pretty tired from the heat and the shoot, we packed everything up, headed off to drop off Liam, and then finally fly home. After getting home, it's time to relax. I got in bed and tossed on a quick show. It's been a pretty long day, but I got a lot of work done, got to see some friends, and make some things I'm really proud of, as well as push this laptop and test it out all day. And after a few episodes, my battery is now at 17%. I'm done for the day, and so is the Air. I plugged in the MagSafe charger, and time to head to sleep. Good night. So this was a pretty busy day in the life with the new M2 MacBook Air. Now, I love this laptop. It really combines the best of both worlds of the iPad Pro and the new MacBook Pro into one incredibly powerful, thin and lightweight device. It has the excellent portability of the iPad Pro with the power, capability, and design of the new MacBook Pro. It's honestly kind of the dream machine, at least for me. And I'm looking forward to using this laptop more and more over the next little while, and I can't wait to see all the exciting things I can actually make with this computer. Today's video was brought to you by 𝗬VPN, a super easy to use VPN that's beautifully designed and packed with great features and power. 𝗬VPN lets me access region-specific exclusive content by letting me connect to a different regional location. It's super useful for streaming sites or other use cases. It's also incredibly secure, with AES-256 encryption, and lets me browse privately and securely anywhere, especially when using public networks. And you can add up to 6 devices per account, so that's pretty sweet. 𝗬VPN is available on SetApp, which is a platform home to many productivity apps and tools. And for just $9.99 a month, which is already a solid price for a VPN alone, you get access to over 230 apps, which will help take your Mac to the next level. Oh, and of course, you get a really solid VPN as well with 𝗬VPN. Get access to 𝗬VPN for 7 days free through SetApp, and add even more value through other apps available on the platform. Learn more at the link in the video description. And that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think of the new MacBook Air in the comments down below. Also, tell me about what you personally use your laptop for on a daily basis. And just for fun, tell me all about an exciting creative project you've worked on recently that you're proud of and excited about. I'd love to hear about the things that you're working on. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe, and thank you for watching.